Most spontaneous act or decision. Interesting outfit, no? Have you guys seen this post? Okay. Most spontaneous act or decision. Okay. So, चांसेस आर कि किसी को ही नहीं पता है ये चीज जो अगर आप मुझे फॉलो भी करते आ रहे हो सो आई नेवर रियली पुट दिस आउट or I might have on a one-to-one discussion, I don't know. But I had decided, I worked for a duration of time to collect money to study further after my college, my graduation and everything. So I worked and I saved the money to do that. Now, I gave entrance exam for NIFT. NIFT is a fashion technology designing institute in the Kharghar wala jo hai. मैं वहाँ पर I went, I gave my exam, I cleared the exam and बहुत कम लोग वो clear कर पाते. There are limited seats and everything. So I cleared it and I got it. Perfect, sounds great, right? Now what happens is वो मेरे अंदर ना, as I told you कि I wanted to become an actor but I never really had the guts to even say it to myself or look at a mirror and even accept that I want to become an actor. I had never even thought of it. But कहीं से मैं बस scroll कर रही थी Instagram पे ही I remember and I saw this specific picture or post, तब photo post बहुत चलते थे, so this photo post from Actor Prepares जो अनुपम खेर सर की academy है वहाँ का देखा. I remember the picture. It was Deepika Padukone का picture in a white t-shirt as she's being a student वहाँ पे, and I saw that and it was written auditions for the next batch are open now. And I just saw that मैं यहाँ select हो चुकी हूँ, मेरा सब हो गया है at NIFT. Now what happens is I just have a little tickle in my head that I should not just let it go, okay? I'm like, ठीक है अभी weekend आ गया है. It was Saturday or something and मुझे fees Monday को भरने जाना है, but ये auditions हो रहे कल on a Sunday. like कि एक try कर लेते हैं, you never know, you just get to know your worth. Like if you don't make it, you've got nothing really much to lose. But you'll have a reality check. So I went for the audition. They gave me a short script. मुझे बोला ये याद कर लो and आपको ये perform करना है. I went on. 5-7 मिनट बाद I memorized the thing, the script. It was like a short script था, कुछ 8-10 लाइन के आसपास होंगे. I did that. I performed. They don't come back to me with any response. उस टाइम पे कुछ मुझे पता नहीं चला. बोला okay great, we'll let you know. ये बोला and I was told कि अब घर जा सकते. मैं चले गई हालांकि कि ठीक है भाई, मतलब ये तो फिर तो नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब कोई जवाब ही नहीं मिला, no feedback, nothing and कुछ आइडिया नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. So मैं घर चले गई. like ठीक है निफ्ट में एडमिशन कर लेंगे, अब तो कुछ तो करना ही है लाइफ में. I get a call. I am going. Okay, this is Monday now. I'm going to I'm on my way. I've left home. I'm supposed to go Kharghar, which is far. तो मैं फीस भरने के लिए जा रही हूँ. I'm on my way. I get a call from Actor Prepares that you have been selected and you have to come and fill your make your payment, make your fee ka payment to get enrolled into the next batch. Now, did I think a lot what I want to do? No. I just asked the captain if I want to. Because ये तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं है भाई. जो चीज मुझे करनी थी उस चीज में अगर मुझे वैलिडेशन मिल गया है, थोड़ा सा स्कोप है, तो अब मैं तो पढ़ाई करने जा रही हूँ यार. मैं बिना कुछ जाने अगर मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई वहां पर तो मैं पढ़कर मैं तो क्या क्या कर लेंगी कर लेंगी what is that? पर मैं तो क्या क्या कर लूंगी. So I had no thought. Very spontaneously I just asked the cabbie to भैया please U-turn ले दीजिए. And that was my spontaneous act and that is how I did not become a designer. You're not talking to designer Jinal Joshi, you're talking to Jinal Joshi, the actor. So yeah, very spontaneous act was asking the cabby to take a U-turn.